Santiago.
¿Qué pasa?
Aquí te traigo al amigo que te dije.
¿Es el americano?
Sí, aquí te lo traigo.
I can't believe we're stealing a plane.
Be such a pussy. We're not fucking stealing it, we're borrowing. Oops. Be cool, boys. Got a little company here.
Smoke.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Tuna. Let's go. Tuna.
Hey. Sure you know what you're doing?
George, relax, all right? I've flown my old man a million times, okay? It's not the taking off part you gotta worry about, it's the landing.
Okay.
Hurry before they come out.
George Young, you stand accused of possession of 660 pounds of marijuana with intent to distribute. How do you plead?
Your Honor, I'd like to say a few words to the court, if I may.
Gosh, you know, your concepts are really interesting, Mr. Young.
Thank you.
Unfortunately for you, the line you crossed was real, and the plants you brought with you were illegal, so your bail is $20,000.
Next case, Your Honor. Number 14173.
No.
George. George.
Hey, babe. Hey, Tuna.
Surprise.
You didn't have to come all the way out here, babe.
What? Miss all the fun? Not a chance. So, what's the verdict?
The lawyer says he can plead it down to 5 years. I'll serve 2.
2 years.
Yeah, 2 years.
George, I can't wait that long.
What, are you kidding me? You're not gonna wait for me? What the fuck is that?
I don't have 2 years.
I had no choice. Don't look at me like that.
go.
What? What was I supposed to do?
Jesus Christ, Armand.
But he's in our house.
Shut up.
What, was I supposed to be an accomplice? You don't think people know you're a drug dealer? Everyone knows you're a drug dealer. It's no secret. How do you think that reflects on me? Every time I go out, I'm humiliated. So you go to jail. It's for your own good. You need to straighten your life out. What are you looking at, Mrs. Crazy? Your son's no prize.
Stop. Open up cell number 3. Prisoners in.
Yeah. Yeah, at the moment I am happy, Dad.
Three years? How long have you been in business? 3 years? Does she get to meet your connection? Was she good enough? Huh? Huh?
Shut up, Diego. Gonna fucking be here any minute. I'm trying to concentrate.
Carajo. Okay? I'm very angry with you, George. Very angry. You don't take me to California, but you take your bitch wife. A woman. It was you and me who started this. Hey, you and me.
What do you need my connection for? What are you gonna do with it?
¿Qué está pasando aquí?
Siéntese y no se me
Estoy bien, okay? Everything's all right, there's no problem. Okay? Never happened. Nobody has to know anything about this. Yeah.
Breathe!
Waiters.
So it's George, isn't it?
I'm the only guy on the planet that gets busted by fucking waiters. Why the feds decided to bust me on that particular night, I'll never know. Maybe it was the Porsches and the Maseratis in the driveway, my Colombian guest list, or the cocaine buffet. Whatever it was, they were just waiting for me to slip up. And I did.